All right, guys, so the first check that you want to do is, of course, try to rock it back and forth. As you can see, this one rocks pretty considerable when I do up and down, and side to side a little bit, but not as much. So what you want to do is take your little beauty covers off over here, right here, and you want to find the appropriate wrench, and you want to check these bolts out right here. You want to kind of tighten them up. But now you don't want to over tighten them or you will crack the toilet. See, I'm not even using any kind of pressure, and this thing was just plain loose. I'm gonna stop once I feel some resistance, which is right about there. I felt some resistance, so go ahead and check the other side too while you're at it. Don't forget to install your beauty covers back on. Check the other side. And this one was loose, but not as loose as the other one. Okay, so there's the resistance. After that, you want to try to rock it again. And it's still rocking. So the next step you're gonna do is put some shims. Okay, you can either make these with wood or anything like that you have around the house, or you can buy them at the store. I bought them at the store right here. So let's go ahead and wrap this up so we can test this. And there's the shims right there. This is how they look like. Kind of like a wedge, so you're gonna wedge it in there, okay? So let's see. Well, looks to me like this other side is higher than this side, because over here with one, I was good. So I think what we're gonna do is just lift up right here. Okay. Now, so what we're gonna do basically is just stack them up like that. We're gonna put 2 of them right here, and that should stabilize it. Let's see. Okay, just like that. Okay, so let's see. Yep, that feels pretty stable. Let's do side to side. Side to side, it still does it. So I think that we just put one of these over here on the side, and that should equalize that right there. Let's see. Okay, so we got the back and forth, the front and back under control, and here's the side to side. So we just about got it under control. I think it needs one more on the back side, maybe right here. Anyways, guys, I forgot to mention, I know that looks tacky, so what you want to do is use one of these knives here. Let me open it up real quick. Open it up. This is what you want to do, okay? What I ended up doing is cutting them in half. This is how they originally were. But I cut them in half. And the thick part, I just used one of them basically. Because I had them stacked together like this, but only the front part. But I noticed it was about the same thickness if I just put this in there. And that's what I did. And as you can see, from far away, you cannot tell that it's there. You would have to like literally get that close just to see it. All right, guys, so here's the final result. What I ended up doing also was I sat down and it literally moved this way. So I decided to put this thing in here. It's double stacked, cut. You can still see it, but I mean, I'm not even tripping since it's on this side, you know. It's facing the wall, so you really won't be able to see it from this side, from the restroom. And if you can tell now, If I put my finger here, see, equal space. I'm using the same finger, equal space now. So we just about got it leveled up. So if you guys enjoyed this video, like I said, give it a share, a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you can. And all the parts will be in the description. Thank you.